Removing blur from your iPhone 16's home screen wallpaper helps restore the original clarity and sharpness of your chosen background image, allowing you to fully appreciate its details. If this is what your iPhone's home screen is showing, here's what you should do. First, go to the home screen and tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. From the wallpaper settings, tap on the right side image. Now go to the current wallpaper and look for the blur button at the bottom. Once found, simply tap on it to turn off the blur effect. After disabling the switch, tap Done to save your recent changes. Your wallpaper should now appear clearer and more detailed without the blur effect. A blurry home screen on an iPhone is likely due the wallpaper image itself is blurry, or a visual effect like parallax is enabled. Either of this can cause the wallpaper to subtly shift and appear slightly out of focus as you tilt your device. If disabling the blur effect doesn't fix the problem, and your iPhone's home screen still appears to be blurry, then you may have to consider ruling out other factors, such as software-related display glitches or worse, hardware defects. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.